Hello there, this is Dr. Julie Quinn, and I am creating this quick video to show students in any class how to set your notification settings and how to update them to make sure that you get all of the important information you need from your professor. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download the Canvas for Students app on your Android or your iPhone. Okay, Canvas for Students app is going to be a really important tool for you just to make sure that you're getting messages, and this will help that you won't every morning have to go into your email. And you can update those settings to make sure that you get announcements in a way that you're comfortable. So when you log on to Canvas as a student, you'll just click on, this may have a picture or not, but you click on your little name up here, and then you go to the first thing and it says notifications. Click on your notifications, and there are a couple of notification settings. Once you've downloaded Canvas for Student app that I'm going to show you, and you can modify as a student any of your notifications. You're not going to be required to have the app, but it is strongly recommended, and it'll make your life a lot easier. The first thing you'll see in this column is your Nova student ID. This is my faculty ID, but you'll see your Nova student ID right here. Click announcement right here. That will push into your email. But if you click over here where it says notifications off and choose notify immediately, this will push into your Canvas for Students app, and then your app will give you a notification. And this is important because your professor may have had to change readings or update an assignment's due date, or let you know they can't make it to class because they're sick. And you don't want to have to drive all the way in or deal with the bus schedules or an Uber, especially if you're in a face-to-face class. So it's always important to check this right before you leave, before you go to campus. So this is just going to make your life so much easier. And as far as I can see so far with the Canvas for Faculty app, there is no multi-factor authentication that's needed. So you could just click on the app and you can see the announcements right away. It's just really easy. Double check it before you head out the door. And that's great. So that's one of the recommendations that I make for you. The other one is this conversations section. It bumps right into the inbox. So conversations really should say inbox. And this inbox, you could set it up the way I have. So anytime you decide to email somebody from your inbox, or I decide to email somebody from my inbox, I get a courtesy copy in my Nova email, which is really nice. So you can go in here, you can open up the inbox, and you can find your class, compose, send an email to your teacher. And if you have these turned on, like say there's a group email that you've been added to at a later date, that's this one. That's one that was sent by the teacher to you, or one that you sent to the teacher, excuse me, or another classmate. You can also turn these on over here for the Canvas for Students app. But in this case, be really careful. You don't want to email your English professors from the app, just because a lot of your emails will look like text messages. And some professors may have grading rules about audience and tone, and you don't want emails to college English professors to look like a text message. So be careful. Does it support when you're added to conversations, like that option's not available in the app, but it looks like this one is, the ones that you send. It's a nice feature. And you can always email your professors from here as well. So these are those notification settings. Download the Canvas for Students app, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to show the app to your professor and show them how it's appearing for you. But this is just a nice quick way for you to access those announcements and any inbox messages that your professor may be sending to you, and to help keep you updated with all of the content of the course without having to sit down and go through all those login steps on your computer. If you have any questions, reach out and let your professor know.